And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a border for videos. So there are multiple ways, but this way seems to be the easiest and it preserves your original footage. Let me drag it into my timeline. I'll select it, then go to Effects and use the grid. Drag and drop it on your video file. Go to Effect Controls. If you can't find that, go to Window and click on Effect Controls. It should open. Make sure the drop down is open for grids. Set this drop down to width and height sliders and set the anchors to 0 each. Now we need the width and height, and it should have the same as your footage. You can find that under Sequence. When you only have one video file in your timeline, it's the same. So in this case 920 x 1080. You can already see the white border. Don't forget to set the blending mode to normal. So by default it's only none, but it needs to be normal so that you can see your footage. You can change the color of it. So right now it's white. We make it red. Or you can simply use the color picker to pick a color from your footage. And this way you can create a border for videos in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.